What's up, beautiful people? In this video we will be talking about my plans for 2022 as we are now at the last day of 2021. Can you believe it? Oh my gosh, New Year's coming up. Let's talk about it. What's up, beautiful people, and welcome to another episode of Don't Keep Up With the Joneses. 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 What's up, beautiful people? Welcome to the channel. It's your boy Ricky Jones Jr. and I am also excited to be here with you all today just to talk about different things that I have going on coming up for the new year, okay, which I am also excited about. And honestly, these are things that will take place on this YouTube channel as well as outside of the channel, because there are some things that we'll be doing out in the world in 2022, which I'm also excited about. And I have some like a fun idea that I'm gonna do that I want to share with you all, so make sure you stay tuned for that. It cracks me up just thinking about what this is going to be like. But nonetheless, one of the first things we're going to do in the new year is truly expound upon the business, okay? We have started the gardening business mid-year this year, and that was just to get things going and flowing as far as the shirts and different logos and things like that are concerned, making sure it had a house for that and all those good things, the, you know, bank account, blah, 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 all that different things like that. But nonetheless, we made sure those things were in order. Now what we have been doing is working on our soil, which now we have a specific grow bag soil that has been working oh so well, if I do say so myself. Like these plants, these Swiss chards and the mustard greens have been going and growing awesomely well. The corn as well has been growing awesomely well as it pertains, because now I will even point out I have some store-bought soil that I had over here, which I did a video where I showed you all me filling in these raised beds, so you saw the bags. However, in these grow bags I have created this soil myself, and the broccoli is doing great, the corn is doing magnificent, everything, the kale and the beans are doing great. Broccoli, corn, then we also have some beans and some collards. We have some Swiss chard and some mustard greens right here. Some you know, mint, it does what it does. We also have some arugula going great down here with beans, sage, and the list goes on. Collards and all are doing magnificent in my grow bag soil, which as these same things are out here, they aren't doing as popping, right? Even the broccoli, look, all of the broccoli scenario, the first row is broccoli. They have all been eaten up by different pests and things like that. However, just a few feet away, I have a broccoli plant that is growing magnificently well. So what am I saying? This soil is great, and I am using it pertainly and specifically in the grow bags, which I'm probably sure more than anything that it is capable of being used in your raised beds as well, if that is the method in which you are going about growing. So hey, those things are coming out. So that's one thing. We are coming out with our own grow bag soil, okay, gardening soil. Not only that, but also too, we are also creating grow bags as well with our logo and things like that, with a code or even the website on there for our gardening website. That is going to be coming out as well in the next year, starting tomorrow, but coming out next year. We're gonna have a garden with me. I forgot the actual website, I'll put it down below. We're gonna be coming out with the website for the gardening business, right? So it's going to be linked to the YouTube, but also gardening business, where we'll be doing selling soil, selling grow bags, doing workshops and things like that, right? So hey, workshops, I'm excited. As y'all can tell, like my boy's talking fast because I'm excited about what I have to say. But we'll be doing workshops as well. Now, of course, I am in the Tampa Bay area, so the workshops will start in the Tampa Bay area initially, but I do look to go and grow from there. Probably Atlanta will be the next stop of the tour, because I do have different family and friends that are in Atlanta, as well as other people that I am connecting with in Atlanta. And so hey, workshops will be taking place. Right now they'll probably be like in 4-month increments, showing how to start growing, as well as all the way to the end of actually having something in a grow bag that is actually growing. From there, ladies and gentlemen, we will come out with a couple of books, okay? It'll be some mini books starting off, but just, hey, beginner guides on how to garden, why you should garden, ways in which you want to start about gardening, just to get the gardening word out there for everybody to see, for everybody to read, for everybody to learn about, okay? Also, even talking about healthy benefits of gardening. We're going to come out with some checklists as well to help people to gardening well and to start gardens and things like that. Probably some workbooks to go along with it as well, and maybe even some coloring books from kids. Okay, I always wanted to do something like books with children, so maybe this is a great way to get things going. But nonetheless, hey, that is something else that we want to do. Also, of course, merch will be coming out, dropping throughout the year, probably 2 different runs of different merch and different looks and things like that as it pertains to shirts and whatnot for gardening and for gardeners. But they will also be selling grow bags as well. That is something that we have already kind of started. People have tapped in even for the Christmas holiday. We sold a few grow bags, so shouts out to the lovely people that purchased. I appreciate you all. But we'll be even selling these bad boys, right? So right now we have them on, they'll be on the website. You'll be able to see them, as well as various configurations of how your grow bag can take place, right? And so those will be available for sale with Garden With Me. So essentially what you may be hearing or maybe getting a gist of is that this here channel will be reaching out through the company name Garden With Me, and we'll be doing all things gardening, helping people, helping kids, having grow bags out there, helping people organize their gardens and things like that. But then too, if it's something that you are interested in your particular area, hey, talk to me, reach out. It is something that I will look to franchise, which even if you reach out to me, we'll talk about different ways in which we can go about it in your specific location. But then too, I do want to have workshops like around the US of A, okay? And so those will take place, of course, with people assembling groups of people so that there can be impact wherever we grow. You see what I did there? Wherever we grow. Okay, maybe it's a dad joke. But nonetheless, we'll be doing those things, right? And so we do have people in North Carolina that kind of have tapped in and reached out and all those different things like that, or connecting more than anything. Shouts out to my North Carolina family. Of course, Georgia is in the house, and I'm sure there's other states where there's more than 5 people that have been tuned into the channel and watching the various gardening videos. I want to make sure we do something with you all, okay? And so even look on our Instagram page. There'll be different things posted there about things that we are doing with the Garden With Me company, as well as this YouTube. I'll talk about it here as well. You know, hey, you all are my first family, so I have no problem with talking with you all, as well as sharing things with you all of things that are to come, okay? So that is also what is going on. Now, also, we will have a journal coming out, ladies and gentlemen, which I don't want to say too much about it. I'm going to just say that I think that'll be enough, because as you see it, you'll see why. I didn't say it, but you'll see the significance of it, the importance of it, and why you want to get it. So more than anything, I am just sharing all the various things that will be going on that are beneficial to gardeners, beneficial to you, beneficial to people that you may know that are curious about gardening, want to get into gardening, maybe not have the full understanding or are abreast of what to do. Well, I'm going to make sure gardening is made easy for them, and then they can get to going, then they can start to living a healthier lifestyle with organic food grown at their home, ladies and gentlemen. Like, it's all things working together, all things coming together, okay? Healthy lifestyles, having the ability to have organic food at your home, but then having an awareness of how things are even grown. Like, again, most people don't know how the food that they eat and consume are actually grown in the garden, grown in some cases in warehouses and things like that. But having the ability to grow it yourself will eliminate that whole middleman, eliminate the whole footprint, carbon footprint of going from the factory to the store, from the store to your home, and from your home to the table, right? It'll eliminate all of that. It'll be from yard to the home, right? From yard to table, farm to table, as some people say, but in our cases, from the yard or from the grow bag to the table. And that's how it should be all across this world. And we're gonna start here, okay? I do understand that is a big statement that I just said, but I'm bold enough to say it, and I believe I have a big enough family to achieve it, okay? And you all are that family, if you didn't know. But nonetheless, 2022 is gonna be oh so great, oh so awesome. I'm gonna hit the ground running in January. I'm gonna bring you all apart. And oh yeah, I did say I was gonna do something cool, right? So here's the thing. All right, great people. So here's a fun thing that I'm going to be doing. So there is a particular gardener that I do enjoy watching, right? Not only do I enjoy watching him, but I enjoy the content that he does produce. And what I am going to do is I will be mimicking him in some of my videos, if not even trying to recreate the videos that he did like him. And the goal is to do it so much so that I will get the opportunity to meet him, one, but then two, to do a video with him. Like this year, next year, 2022, I want to do a video. The YouTuber that I want to do this mimicking and connect with is the gardening channel with James Prigigoni. Okay, now this is a YouTuber that is full of life, full of energy, full of excitement, as well as full of information. So I want to connect with him and things like that. So y'all be on the lookout for that and see how that all ends up working out, see how it all ends up going about, as well as if you are YouTuber subscribers with him, go ahead and you know, get ready. I'll tell you all what to do on those particular videos, but the gardening channel with James Prigigoni, I'm coming for you, sir. I look forward to meeting you, okay? And some other collaborations that I look forward to doing as well in the year 2022. So definitely be on the lookout for those. Definitely even let me know in the comment section what other YouTubers, what other gardeners do you think I should collaborate with, or you all would like to see me collaborate with, and we'll see about making those things happen as well. So with all things being said, the excitement brewing and all those various things, oh, ladies and gentlemen, 2022, I'm ready for you, okay? I have plans, I have goals, and I have things that I want to do, and those things I will do in front of you all on this here YouTube channel. So with that being said, I love you all. I will see you on tomorrow, as it is January 1st, which we will be made known of the various things that we can garden, grow, or plant in our gardens in the new year, ladies and gentlemen. Why not start afresh? This is our year, 2022. We can garden, we can do it, and we will do it together. And remember, if you ever have any questions, comments, concerns, or you just want to go ahead and start a garden, remember, you can always garden with me. Until next time, peace.